Hello everybody, welcome back. So we're back here with the DEF again, and this isn't going to be a video about how to properly apply it. There's plenty of videos out there. I've gone over the nitrogen content, the price, and everything. So this video is going to answer the question that nobody's asked. What happens if you apply DEF straight? No mixing it with water like you're supposed to. So here I have a little patch of grass that I really don't care about. So if the grass burns, that's fine. I don't care. We'll apply the DEF straight. We're not going to dilute it. And we're going to see what the effects are on the grass. So here I have my pump sprayer, and with this nozzle, I know the application rate that I have and the pacing. I could usually do pretty accurately 1,000 square feet per gallon. So we're just going to throw some of the DEF in there, pump it up, give that grass a little spritz, and then check back what happens to it. Now I made sure I cleaned out the pump completely so there's no other contaminants. This is just going to be pure DEF. And we'll just go ahead. And like I said, at this rate, I know that I'm applying a gallon per 1,000 square feet. So, a little spritz. All right, and we'll check back on this grass a little bit later, maybe in a couple of days, see what happens. Okay, it's later in the day, about 8 hours after we sprayed the DEF on this patch of grass. No change. So let's check on it in a couple of days. And here we are 2 days after spraying the DEF, and there doesn't seem to be much difference. If anything, maybe the grass grew a little bit, but it didn't die off. So is spraying straight DEF harmful to your lawn? Maybe not necessarily. I definitely do not recommend it, but yeah, it looks exactly the same as it did a couple of days ago before we sprayed it. Now remember, I sprayed it at an application of roughly 1,000 square feet per gallon. So it's a low application. So maybe it is beneficial, but let me know if you guys want. I'll try it out on maybe a nicer patch of grass to see if there's any differences. Anyway, thanks again. Take care.